Hello everyone. If you want to get your dream job in an MNC company, except coding skill, you need a strong GitHub profile to showcase your work. Today I am going to share how to push your project into GitHub. If you want to know how you can push your project into GitHub, then watch this video till the end. Lot of students did not get their dream job because of having poor GitHub profile. They have excellent coding skill, they have lot of projects, but they did not upload their projects on GitHub. Because at the time of giving interview, HR wants to know how many projects you make till now. The reason is after getting job, कंपनी में तुम्हें प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर ही काम करना है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू शो योर प्रोजेक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ HR. ये नहीं कि तुम एक एक प्रोजेक्ट फाइल फोल्डर में से निकाल के दिखा रहे हो. दे वांट योर गिटहब प्रोफाइल, हाउ मेनी रिपोजिटरीज यू हैव एंड हाउ मच प्रोजेक्ट you have been pushed, and lastly what is your contribution activity, because company need dedicated employee जो कि consistently काम करे उनके कंपनी में. So because of all this, what you need to do is push your project into your GitHub profile. Lot of students are facing issue at the time of uploading their project into GitHub. Let's discuss what is the right approach to push your project in GitHub. There are several approaches to push the project, but the easiest way is using command prompt. Or if you are doing your project in VS Code, then use VS Code terminal. So let's start. First, open your GitHub in any browser. Now we need a repository जिसमें हम अपना project को push करेंगे. So for creating repository, click on profile icon. Then click your repositories. Then click on new, and here you need to put your repository name. So I am giving the name is the first project. Then नीचे आएगा your new repository will be created as the first project. After that you need to give your repository description. And I am giving the description is this repository contain all the components of my project. Then we need to public our repository. Then scroll down, then click on create repository. After clicking this, it will redirect a page. So now here is our repository, the first project, and this page have the code to push our project in command line. Here is create a new repository on the command line, okay, and push an existing repository from the command line. This is for existing repository, this is for new repository, okay. So now what we need to do is go to our project folder, जिसमें हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है वो फोल्डर पे जाना है. Then click here, type cmd to open this folder in command prompt. So here is open the folder in command prompt. Now go to our browser and copy this code and paste in command prompt. Now click enter. Make sure you have a good internet on this time. So now minimize this and refresh it, because the readme file is pushed in our repository. So we need to check it. Here is the readme file pushed at the first commit. Now we need to push our project, the entire project. Okay, so for pushing the project, what we need to do is go to the command prompt and type git init, click enter. Then it will show reinitialize existing git repository in this project folder. Then again type git add space dot and enter. If you get this kind of warning तो क्या करना है, फिर से git add dot को लिख के enter दबाना है. Then click enter. So now it's perfect. Now we need to write git commit /m for message. Then write a message. हमें एक मैसेज लिखना होगा इन डबल कोटेशन. Uploading all the projects inside the double quotation. Okay, then click enter. And now it will show 13 file changes. Commit means जो भी changes होगा उसको ready करना है, change करके then उसको push करना है. Okay, so first we need to commit, then after we pushed it into GitHub. So for pushing the project into GitHub, the command is git push origin main. Because at the time of initial commits, that means pushing readme file, we are giving the branch as a main for pushing our project. In GitHub we have a main branch or master branch, but we are pushing main branch. Here is the git branch m main. We are initializing main, so now we can push in main. Okay, then click enter. It will take few seconds. So now it is done successfully. Upload, successfully pushed the project. Okay, then let's refresh it. Here is the basic project is here, successfully uploaded, successfully pushed. Okay, so now the point is, if you want to make some changes or make some correction in our project or updating the project, so how can we push the updated code to our repository, or how can we update our repository? So for this we need to do is go to the folder and click here, write cmd, then click enter, write git init, click enter, then write git add space dot, enter, then click, then write git commit /m in double quotation, give the message update double quotation end, click enter. Here it will show the changes or the updates. Then after commit we need to push it. Okay, for pushing same वही रहेगा, git push origin main. हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि जिस भी ब्रांच पे पहले से पुश हुआ है प्रोजेक्ट, उसी ब्रांच पे पुश करना है. If you put master instead of main, it will show error. Okay, so same वही रखना है जिसमें हम पहले पुश किए हैं. Then click enter. It will take a few minutes. After this, the successfully pushed. Okay, now we need to check in browser. Here is the updated second project, okay, and now we need to refresh the repository. Here the second project is pushed. Okay, before 2 minutes ago. Okay, जो फर्स्ट वाला प्रोजेक्ट था वो 29 मिनट्स से पहले हुआ है पुश, एंड नाउ ये 2 मिनट्स पहले पुश हुआ है. दिस इज द एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ हाउ टू अपलोड योर प्रोजेक्ट इन गिटहब.